Hey guys, I'm Dr. Dill and I'm here with Sam at the Chattanooga Zoo, and we're talking about giraffe teeth versus human teeth and what makes them different. So we have 4 giraffes here.
Yes.
What are their names and how old are they?
So our oldest one's George, he's 11. His son lives with us, Hardy, he's 8 years old. And then we have Porter, who's also 8. And then our youngest, which is Cusco.
How tall do they end up getting?
Porter's our tallest. He's about 18 feet tall. There's different species of giraffes. Males can get up to 20, 21 feet tall. Females are generally shorter. They're like the 15, 16 foot range.
Where do they live in the wild? In Africa?
Yeah, they live in Africa, kind of central Africa. Trees can be a little scarce sometimes of the year. They can walk about 20 miles a day to go from place to place to eat whatever trees they can. And once they wipe out those trees, they'll move on to the next bunch.
Giraffe teeth there.
Yeah,
it's kind of interesting.
Giraffes don't have upper teeth. They have like a hard palate on the roof of their mouth that they use to bite and rip leaves and twigs off of branches.
We have front teeth and back teeth. So we actually use our front teeth to bite into things like meat or maybe pizza. And then we use our back teeth to chew it up, much like the giraffes do because they move the food to the back.
And then they will use their 18-inch tongue to suck it back towards where their molars are, and then they use their molars to grind up.
You said an 18-inch tongue, which kids, that's like this long right here. So why is it important that they have such a long tongue?
It helps them reach higher to kind of wrap around a branch, and then they'll use that and they'll strip the branch with it, pull all the leaves off, and then they'll chew from there.
Wow.
And they can live up to 20 years, so they're fairly healthy. Eating consistently like that all day helps keep their teeth clean. The branches kind of act like a brush or a floss to clean out their teeth. So we haven't had any issues, but as giraffes get older, they can have them removed if they start getting infected.
So you can see how important it is for all of us to take care of our teeth because it's a way for us to be able to get nutrition in our bodies. What do you guys do if you suspect that there is a problem and you think that there's some dental work that needs to be done?
Yeah, so what we can do is we get them in our GRD. So it's a giraffe restraint device. It's basically a big metal like mesh box that they can walk into. They're trained to walk in and we can sedate them from there. Then we have a push wall that will slide into them. So as we sedate them, they don't just fall straight to the ground. We can kind of slowly lower them to the ground. There's a bunch of pulleys and ropes that we can use to lower their heads. And then we can go in with a big device and it kind of pries their mouth and holds their mouth open. And then we go in with a bunch of different tools that we can either grind down the tooth if it's bothering them or we can extract it from there.
We've kind of talked about what they eat as far as lettuce and leaves and bark off of trees. Do they eat meat at all?
No, they're strictly herbivores.
You see, our teeth are shaped in a way where we can eat meat and we can eat vegetables. We're omnivores. We have our front teeth called incisors, which means we're able to cut through meat to be able to chew it up to a size that we can swallow so that our stomach can digest it. But we can also eat leaves like this one. I don't think I'm gonna eat it though. Good oral health isn't just a human thing. It's important to all species to make sure that we have our teeth in good shape for us to be able to eat. We wanna say thank you to the Chattanooga Zoo for hosting us and letting us come down and check out these giraffes. Comment down below and let us know what animal you think that we should interview next. I'm Dr. Dill with Nooga Dentistry.